Hi guys, it's Mo here, just giving you a little tip. Create a mouse jiggler with a laser mouse, DPI, no more than 1,000 on this. It's a Logitech. So the watch is on dormant, the battery's out, it's not working. You can see the hour, the minute and the second hand is not moving at all. Place the mouse laser on top of the watch face, ensuring that the laser is hitting the center, that center pivot where the second hand, the minute hand and the hour hand meet. So just place over the watch that's not working and then go straight over. I'm just gonna move the mouse pointer so you can see it on my blank screen just to make it easier. So it's over the watch, and then if you keep an eye on the mouse pointer, and I'll just position it, it has to be just bang on perfect, but what happens is the laser can't precisely, and that's what it does, guys. It starts moving on its own, and that's a mouse jiggler without a battery. And you can place this on the screen and it will continue to move. If you get the right positioning, it actually moves faster. Again, I'll quickly take you back to the mouse and I'll show you. So again, I'm going to lift the mouse over the watch that's not working, and then I'll show you if I place the mouse on the side, back up. See, that's the mouse that I am now moving with my hand in circular motion. I'll switch it back over to the watch face and then just position it just across over the watch face. Just position, you see that? I'm just trying to get the position right again. Just what I'm doing is just ever so slowly just moving the mouse just so I get the right positioning, and you can see that is now moving on its own. So a mouse jiggler without a battery, and that's still moving. So I'm just gonna try and position that so you guys can actually see it moving fast. You see that? Right, I'm gonna hold the phone as still as I can. That's it. Do you see how fast that moves? Again, DIY mouse jiggler without a battery, and that can be left on for hours. That's a hack of a hack.